Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic vacuums that promise to clean your house better than ever. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, and on the right, we've got the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's dive in and see which one of these vacuums is the best for you. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba comes in at a budget-friendly $269, making it a great choice for those looking to save some money. On the other hand, the Shark will cost you a whopping $549. For that price, it better not just vacuum, it should also make breakfast and walk the dog. Now onto suction power. The Roomba's 3-stage cleaning system is effective, with reviewers noting it does a good job of finding and picking up dirt. The Shark, however, claims incredible suction and tackles the toughest messes with ease, making it perfect for homes with pets and heavy foot traffic. Navigation is where things get interesting. The Roomba uses adaptive navigation with a suite of sensors to avoid obstacles, which reviewers say works well, but can sometimes get stuck under furniture. Meanwhile, the Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping, offering superior navigation and fewer chances of getting stuck. When it comes to self-emptying, the Roomba runs for 90 minutes before heading back to its dock to recharge. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness, but note it requires regular supervision. The Shark, on the other hand, has a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, combined with true HEPA filtration. This makes it a set-it-and-forget-it option for busy households. Pet owners, take note. The Roomba's dual multi-surface brushes are good for picking up pet hair, but the Shark excels in this category. Its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system handle pet hair, dust, and dander like a champ, making it ideal for homes with furry friends. Both vacuums offer hands-free control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to command your robot to clean with just your voice. Reviewers appreciate the convenience and ease of use, making both models equally impressive in this regard. Roomba gives you 90 minutes of runtime, which is adequate for smaller homes. However, the Shark boasts an impressive 120 minutes and features recharge and resume, so it'll get back to work after a quick recharge. Reviewers love the extended runtime and efficiency of the Shark. Overall, reviewers find the iRobot Roomba 692 to be an effective and budget-friendly option, though it requires regular maintenance and supervision. The Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum is praised for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and convenience, making it worth the higher price for those with pets or larger homes. So which robot vacuum should you invite to your home cleaning party? If you're on a budget and need a reliable cleaner, the Roomba 692 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want a high-tech cleaning beast, the Shark AV2501S Ultra is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy.